S180 Drone, advanced aerial photography and intelligent features. The S180 Drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for hobbyists and enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge technology and superior functionality. Packed with advanced features, this drone offers an exceptional flying experience and stunning aerial photography capabilities. Key features: 8K HD camera. Capture breathtaking aerial photos and videos with an 8K camera featuring gesture control, 50x zoom, and automatic photography. Perfect for stunning visuals. Brushless motor. Equipped with powerful brushless motors for quieter operation, improved durability, and a smoother flying experience. Optical flow positioning ensures stable and precise hovering, even in challenging environments, for sharper and more focused images. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Infrared obstacle avoidance technology allows the drone to detect and avoid obstacles, making flight safer and worry-free. Multifunctional control options. One key takeoff, a landing for ease of use. Trajectory flight for custom flight paths. Gravity sensing for intuitive control through your smartphone. Headless mode for simplified operation, especially for beginners. Emergency stop for quick safety measures. Music integration adds a fun touch by allowing you to play music during your flights. Specifications. Model S180. Material: plastic, metal, and electronic components. Flight time: up to 12 minutes per charge. Charging time: approximately 60 minutes. Remote control distance: 150 meters. Product dimensions. Expanded: 29.5 by 27.5 by 7 centimeters. Folded: 14 by 8 by 7 centimeters. Battery: rechargeable drone battery, included. Remote control battery, 3xAA, not included. Frequency: 2.4G Wi-Fi signal. What's included in the box? S180 Drone. Remote control. Rechargeable battery. USB charging cable. Screwdriver. Spare blades, 4 PCs. Instruction manuals, 2 PCs. Obstacle avoidance head. Why choose the S180 Drone? Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a beginner, or just looking for a fun and reliable drone, the S180 Drone is an excellent choice. Its intuitive controls, high-definition camera, and intelligent features make it perfect for capturing stunning visuals and enjoying smooth flights. Fly smarter and safer with the S180 Drone, the ultimate aerial companion.